12-type mini excavator operation tutorial. Startup. Steps: power on. Push throttle lever. Turn key to start. Open the pilot lock. Travel control. Both levers forward. Move forward. Both levers backward. Move backward. Left handle operations. Push forward. Extend arm. Hold backward. Retract arm. Right bend. Platform rotate right. Left bend. Platform rotate left. Press and hold button to bend left. Upper arm swing to the left. Press and hold button to bend right. Upper arm swing to the right. Right handle operations. Push forward. Lower boom. Hold backward. Raise boom. Right bend. Release bucket. Left bend. Close bucket. Dozer blade control. Pedal backwards. Raise blade. Pedal forwards. Lower blade. Pull the throttle slightly. Turn off the key and power switch. Operate safely. Work efficiently.